Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use your Samsung phone's calculator to easily convert between kilometers, meters and centimeters. Let's go! First, you need to have the calculator app on your Samsung phone. This is usually pre-installed. Once you find this app on your phone, select it. Then, select the icon in the middle which looks like a ruler. This opens the unit converter feature. You will notice the converter can convert different units such as length, area, temperature, volume, etc. To convert kilometers, centimeters and millimeters, select the length option. From here, you can choose to convert between two length units. For example, meters to centimeters. Centimeters to meters. And centimeters to millimeters. And kilometers. So that's it everyone, you can easily convert between kilometers, centimeters and millimeters using your Samsung phone's calculator.